Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
In today's episode, we are going to dive into Asia Pacific's biggest case publishing school, which not only has a repository of over 5,000 unique cases, but also caters to business schools globally. Situated in the heart of Telangana, let's visit the illustrious campus of ICFI Business School, better known as IBS Hyderabad, in this episode of KYC. The Institute of Chartered Financial Analysts of India, better known as ICFI, was established in 1984 as a non-profit educational society in Telangana to provide higher education to students across India. IBS Hyderabad Faculty of Management Studies is a constituent of the ICFI Foundation for Higher Education, which is declared to be deemed to be university under Section 3 of UGC Act 1956. Since its establishment in 1995, IBS has grown impressively and achieved widespread recognition from business and industry, academia, and professional bodies, as well as an AACSB accreditation. Campus life. IBS Hyderabad has 24 different clubs and committees which are managed by IBS students and cater to all segments of life. Some of these include EcoBiz, the Economics and Business Club, FinStreet for Finance, IBS Analytics Club, Shamvesh, the Cultural Club, and a lot more. A wide range of indoor and outdoor game facilities are also available within the campus. Indoor game facilities like chess, carom, table tennis, etc., and swimming pool, gyms, football and cricket grounds, state-of-the-art courts for badminton, basketball, squash and volleyball are also there within the campus. IBS has a mega event, Trishna, that is organized by the management students every year. They also organize an entrepreneurship week called E-Week. This is a 7-day saga where students from different preschools and undergraduate colleges across India come together to celebrate entrepreneurship. Many other such events like Sankriya, the National Operations Fest, Aveg, a national level inter-preschool sports fest, Endurathon, an event featuring solo and squad participation, take place at IBS. Programs offered. MBA. This 2-year master's program is spread over 4 terms covering a host of subjects including finance, operations, HR, and marketing. Students must take 30 courses which are divided into 22 compulsory courses and 8 electives. The fees for the 2-year MBA program is Rs 7 lakh per annum. PhD program in management. For those of you who wish to pursue management training, research, and consultancy, IBS Hyderabad offers a 4-year PhD program. This program includes doctoral coursework, research proposal, and thesis work, among other things. The PhD is offered as both a full-time and a part-time program, giving its candidates flexibility. PhD students also get a stipend starting at Rs 20,000 for their research work. The fees for the full program stands somewhere around Rs 4 lakh, divided into a per semester fee of Rs 60,000. Eligibility and selection procedure. To be eligible for the MBA program, you must have completed your graduation with at least 50% in English. You can apply for IBS Hyderabad using either your CAT, GMAT, or NMAT scores. IBS also has its own entrance exam called IBSAT, which you can opt for as part of your application. Candidates not meeting the minimum eligibility criteria in English must submit their TOEFL, IELTS, or NELT to be eligible for admission. PhD program. In addition to the MBA criteria, candidates are required to have completed their post-graduation with a minimum of 55% in all subjects in order to get admission in the PhD courses. While the selection procedure for the MBA program includes both a group discussion as well as personal interview, the PhD program has a technical interview round and a personal interview round. Rankings. In the Economic Times B School ranking of 2020, IBS Hyderabad was placed in the 20th position, while the NIRF rankings 2020 have placed IBS at the 25th position. USP. Case Study Development Center. The IBS Case Study Development Center, with over 5,500 case studies, structured assignments, and teaching notes, is Asia Pacific's largest repository of business management case studies. IBS is India's first case publishing school to support case-based teaching and also caters to other B schools globally. Cases developed by IBS Case Research Center are used by 890 institutions in 90 countries. Summer placements. Summer placements at IBS Hyderabad saw top recruiters like JP Morgan Services India Private Limited, PricewaterhouseCoopers Private Limited, Novartis, Cognizant, Crisel, Capgemini, KPMG, SmartCube, Pfizer, and more coming to the campus. 54% of the internship offers made were for the marketing domain, followed by 34% for finance. The highest stipend offered was Rs 40,000 per month, while the average stipend stood at Rs 9,000 per month. Notable alumni. IBS has a vast network of professionals working across the globe and boasts about its long heritage of the alumni who have once been part of the IBS family. IBS alumni are working in over 900 blue chip companies and are spread out across the world. The Alumni Federation of IBS comprises more than 50,000 plus alumni of different institutes under IBS. This huge network of alumni makes industry interactions easier for fresh batches of students coming in. Sivaramakrishnan Srinivasan, Sanjukta Bhattacharya are some of the names who have passed out from IBS Hyderabad and have worked in companies like the Nielsen, Nestle. Final placements. The final placements at IBS Hyderabad saw top brands and companies recruiting talent. For the batch of 2020, a total of 1,081 offers were made. Top brands on campus included Deloitte, EY, Edelweiss, Bank of America, JP Morgan, Amazon, HDFC, ICICI, Capgemini, PwC, and many more. 44% of the batch opted for finance roles, while 51% opted for marketing. The highest international CTCs stood at a whopping Rs 50.23 lakh per annum, while the highest national CTC stood at Rs 13.22 lakh per annum. The average CTC for the batch of 2020 was Rs 7.88 lakh per annum. That is it for today, guys. Tell us in the comment section below if we have missed something. If you like the video, share it with your friends and tell us in the comments below which other B school you want to know about, and we might come up with a video for you. To apply for the IBS Hyderabad MBA or PhD programs, click the link in the description below.